English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, you may recall I had an opportunity of initiating a discussion on the entire gamut of foreign private investment in the power sector. Through the gamut at that time was complete. The answer of the minister was far from complete. Therefore, when he took objection to the range of debate today, I was not only annoyed but amused. This policy is being projected as a part of the larger policy of farms. I have my own profound and wide ranging reservations about the new reform in the country, even assuming, without conceding for the sake of arrangement, that there is need and scope for foreign investment in the power sector. The question really is whether we are going about it correctly. We will find, sir, that we have reached a stage in the process for farms when reforms have been overtaken and superseded by deals. The reforms have been succeeded by dealers. Now we don't have reforms anymore. We have striking stupendous deal being struck in the name of reforms. Sir, my indignation turns into frustration because we get no reply to many questions. There is no dialogue in Parliament on this question. There appears to be only a monologue because there are no answers to specific questions raised. I am speaking about the frustration because I did not feel I got answer to the question raised earlier. It shall be may endeavor in the course of my today's presentation not to cover those aspects but to raise new issue. Sir, it is very difficult to walk up somebody like Mr. Saul who is pretending to sleep. If we were sleeping, I would perhaps have succeeded in waking you up, and it is also difficult to enlighten the enlightened. Mr. Solver will have the satisfaction of going down in history as the architect of a monumental multi-tiered fraud that is played on the nation. If he wants to be proud of this distinction, well, I would rather leave it to his conscience. So, that is the fundamental problem facing the power sector in our country. In my view, the sickness of state electricity boards is the real problem. We therefore must find out whether any policy initiative that we embark upon address itself to this fundamental problem. This policy, which has been initiated by Delhi, is not addressing itself to the core of this problem. Our transmission and distribution losses are very high.